Hello viewers. Today we are going to learn question tags part 2. So simple present tense with a positive statement. Right. First of all, and you understand what is meant by simple present tense. See, simple present tense is used to describe routine activities, universal truth, and to describe an action which takes place now. See, we use simple present tense to describe only to describe routine activities, and second purpose is universal truth, and to describe an action which takes place just now. Okay, right. Now you have to understand here, right? Question tags when there are no helping verb. See, actually helping verbs or question tag is completely dependent on helping verb. See, when in the statement, if there is no helping verb, how to attend question tags is very important here. See, first of all, but understand some rules here. First one is find out the tense of the sentence. See, we have to understand whether the sentence is in present tense, past tense, or future tense. Okay, next. Second one is pay attention to helping verb and pronoun. You have to pay attention to helping verb and pronoun. Third one is when the sentence is positive, question tag will be negative. And fourth one is when the statement is negative, question tag will be positive. Fifth one is proper noun should not be used in question tag. It's very important actually. We never use proper noun in question tags. Now first, let's move to actually subjects and helping verb. In simple present tense, actually, as I told you earlier, actually in the statement we can't find helping verb, but the sentence or the statement has helping verb. See, for I, you, there are only 7 subjects. You, we, they, he, sheet. There are only 7 subject actually. See, for I, you, we, they, we use do as helping verb, right? Do has helping verb. In the same way, for he, she, it, we use does as helping verb. Okay, next, see for example, right? See here, subjects, main or objects, question tags. See, hi, you, we, they, is sheet here. It's the first statement. Let me take the first statement here, right? Hi is subject, go is manner, to college today is object, subject, verb, object. Actually, see, as I told you, this in this sentence actually, see, there is no helping verb. This is subject, this is main verb, this is object, no helping verb here. But you need to understand, even if you can't find helping verb, you have to understand this statement has helping verb, because go means do, right means do, play means do actually. Here I have used here first form of for. You have to keep in mind, in simple present tense positive statement we use first form of form. It's very important. So I told you, you have to understand the tense of the statement or sentence is very important. And second rules actually, when actually yeah, now you have understood these actually, this is okay, it's a this is a positive statement, so question tag is negative actually, right? Negative. In the second sentence statement also, see, you write notes now. Here also subject, manner, object, we don't have any helping verb. You write notes is a positive statement, so question tag is negative. Here for I, you, we, they, we use do as helping verb. Here you can find do helping verb here for I, you, we, they, right? So question tag is negative. Don't I, pronoun is here. And for you, you also have written here. For we, here also we have written we. Okay, next. Yeah, also they meet me at school today. Here the sentence they is subject, meet is manner, right? Me at school today is object actually. Here sentence is positive, so question tag is negative. Pronoun is they is here, so I use it here they. Very simple actually. Here next one is he goes to office every day, doesn't he? Yeah, understood. Now you have to pay attention here. I already told you, for I, you, we, they, we use do as helping verb. For he should use does as helping verb, because we use fifth form of verb. Okay, actually, for example, see, go, went, gone, going, goes, like that. There are 5 forms of verbs. Okay, like that. So I use it here. See, he goes to office every day. It's a sentence, actually it's a positive statement. So question tag is negative, right? She watches TV always. This is also positive statement. Question tag is negative. Doesn't she? It follows us every evening. This is positive statement, is positive. So question tag is negative. Doesn't it? Negative. Okay, here also pronoun is, actually subject is heat. Okay, so I use it here, heat. Now next, let's move to simple present tense. Simple present tense with negative sentence. Okay, part 3, simple present tense with negative sentence rules. Okay, simple present tense with negative sentence. Just now we have studied simple present tense with positive statement. See, but it is it's not quite different here. Just in the, see, when the sentence is negative, question tag will be positive. In simple present tense, negative sentence, we have helping verbs. Okay, but in simple present tense, positive statement, we can't get any helping verbs. Okay, so it's very easy to attend a simple present tense with negative sentence. Okay, now here just to understand here, subject, helping verb, main verb, objects, question tags. See here, subjects here also same, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Here for you see that you can understand here, right? See, for I we have used, see, I do not play cricket today. This is do not is helping verb, actually play is main verb, cricket today it's object. Okay, now question tag is positive question tag, statement is negative. Here also, you do not smoke cigarettes always. Do you? This is a positive question tag. Now we do not, here also for we use do not as helping verb. We do not hurt anyone. Do we? Positive helping verb. This statement is negative. They do not help us now. This statement is, see that, negative helping verb. So question tag is positive. Next here, he does not. For here, you have to understand. I had told you for I, you, we, they, we use do has helping verb, and for he should use does has helping verb. Here it changes, especially in simple present tense. Okay, you have to keep that in your mind. Now, for he, she, see, he does not steal my pen, does he? This is negative statement, next statement. So question tag is positive. She does not talk too much. Statement is negative. Question tag is positive. It does not bite small children. Negative statement, positive question tag. Question tag is positive. So it's very easy because you are getting helping verbs. These are helping verbs. Okay, right? These are subjects actually. Okay, right? These are okay, these are main verb. These are objects. These are question tag, actually these are question tag. So yeah, I hope you understood completely. Now let's move to simple past tense with a positive statement. Here also you have to pay attention. Okay, right, first of all you understand what is in by simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to describe the activity which took place in the past. An activity took place in the past. Okay, right, this is called simple past tense. Now here also, here also we get 7 subjects and helping verbs. Here for all the subjects, okay, we have to use did as helping verb. It's a past tense, right? Because in simple present tense positive statement we use the first form of verb, so we use do and does as helping verb. In simple past tense positive statement we use second form of verb, so we use here did as helping verbs. Okay, right? Next, see, for examples, I watched Kannada movies yesterday. I watched Kannada movies yesterday. See, I is subject actually. Watch is second form of verb, watched. Okay, I watched Kannada movies yesterday. See here in this I is subject, watched is main or Kannada movies yesterday is object actually. Now, in this statement, we can't find helping verbs, so it is difficult sometime, right? So you don't no need to get confused. Okay, right? It's very easy. So you understand. In if you just I told you while attending any question tags, you have to find out whether the sentence is in past tense, present tense, or future tense. You have to understand the tense of the sentence. Then it will be very easy, okay, to get out of what. Okay, here also see statement is actually positive, so question tag is negative. Very simple. You attended CET. You attended CET. You is subject. Attended here main or second form for we have used here, and CET is object. Here question tag is statement is actually positive, right? Statement is positive. Question tag is negative. See here, didn't you? Like that. We celebrated Deepavali 2 days back. Didn't we? See, we celebrated. Here also second form of verb, right? We celebrated. We celebrate. We subject. Celebrated manner. Deepavali is object. 2 days back. Okay, right. This is the object actually. So statement is positive. Question tag is negative. Next, they studied hard last year. They studied hard last year. Right? Here also you don't find any helping verb. So you have to understand. You have to use the word study, main, especially main verb. Right? So you have used it as second form of verb. So I have to use here didn't they? See, they studied hard last year. Statement is positive. Question tag is negative. Next, here also, Raju attended teachers CET in Mysore. Statement is positive. Positive statement, right? Question tag is negative. Sunita came to examination center 5 minutes late. This is, see that here second form of verb also you have used, right? Statement is positive, so question tag is negative. Next, bus came to bus stop very early, didn't it? See, question tag is negative. When the question, see, understand why? Because statement is positive. This much only, very easy, right? Now let's move to simple past tense with a negative sentence. Actually, simple past tense with a negative statement, simple past tense negative sentence is not so difficult for you, because in the simple past tense negative statements you has helping verb. If any statement has helping verb, it's not going to be very tough for you, because helping question tag is completely dependent on helping verb. You face a difficulty when you means when you can't find the helping verb in the statement, then you face difficulty. But you have to understand thoroughly, then only question tag will be very easy. You have to watch this video completely. Okay. Next, so what are the rules here? When the sentence is negative, question tag will be positive. When the sentence is negative, question tag will be positive. See, that is common rules actually. See, statement I is subject, did not is helping verb, watch movie is a object. I did not watch movie, did I? Here, see, I is subject, did not is helping verb, watch is main verb. Actually, here you have to use first form of verb, and object actually you have used it here, object. This is helping verb, right? I is subject, right? See, I did not watch movie, did I? Right? See, because statement is negative. Next, second question, you didn't read newspaper yesterday. Yeah, you did not read newspaper yesterday. You is subject, didn't helping verb, read is main verb, newspaper yesterday is object. So here you have got helping verb. So when you got helping verb, right, it will be very easy to answer. So did not is a negative sentence actually, easily can understand. Statement is negative, so question tag is positive, right? Next, third one is, we did not waste time in watching TV. This here also the statement is negative. The statement is negative. Question tag is positive. Same pronoun here also we like that. They didn't go to school on time. Negative statement. So positive question tag. Nageshwar did not go to college. Nageshwar, right? Here, proper noun I have used here. It's very important. Pay attention here. Nageshwar did not go to college. Did he? See, here statement is negative. So question tag is positive. Here you have to pay attention here. See, instead of using Nageshwar only, right? Here at the beginning, we have used Nageshwar in the statement. But question tag, well, writing the question tag you have used here, E, because because in question tags we don't use proper noun. That's a reason. Okay. Next, Suma. Suma did not come to police station yesterday. Statement is negative. Statement is statement is negative. So question tag is positive. Here, my school bus didn't come to school on time. Here also statement is negative. Question tag is positive. So next simple future tense. Now simple future tense with positive statement. See, simple future tense and simple future tense positive statement and simple future tense negative statements are very easy, because in both the statements actually you can find helping verbs, right? But you have to check once again. So when do you use what is meant by future tense? Okay, future simple future tense is used to describe the action which will take place in future, like that. See, rules. When statement is positive, question tag will be negative, right? In the just I am going to explain one statement only, right? See, I is subject here. Shall, we use shall and will as helping verb in future tense. Shall is helping verb. Purchase is main verb actually, right? Yeah, right. Just take it as object. Subject helping verb. Shall is helping verb. Purchase main verb. Here also I have used here first form of verb. I shall purchase a house tomorrow. Statement is positive. So question tag is shall is here positive. So question tag is negative. Same. We will set up a shop tomorrow. Here question tag won't we? Right. Negative question tag. Next, you will get appointment order tomorrow. Statement is positive. Won't you? Negative question tag. They will construct a building tomorrow. Positive statement. Won't they? Negative question tag. Next, fifth one is he will change his bike. When statement is negative, question tag will be positive. It's a common rules actually here. Next, for example, I will not attend marriage party tomorrow. You see, I will not. Negative. Since statement is negative, question tag will I. Will I see that? Understand? Okay, positive question tag. We shall not stop the game. Negative statement, positive question tag. Negative statement actually it is positive question tag. Right. They will not support you. Here, will they? Ye shall not miss exam. Shall ye? She will not agree with me. Will she? Okay. Next. It shall not get me profit. Shall it? See, in this way, right? In this way, you can learn very easily. Yeah, see that shall it? Yeah, actually shall not. Negative statement. So positive question tag. Now it's very easy. Now, if you have any doubts, please comment. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for